Once upon a time, there was a little boy called Juanito. He was very happy because his family went to the beach to meet with his uncle Leodegari. Leodegari was born in the same place as Juanito's family, but he moved to the United States since little. Today, Juanito is very happy because he wants to meet his uncle and practice his English skills. Let's see what happens in.
Ya quiero ver el mar, 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 ya quiero ver el mar. En el mar, la vida es más sabrosa. 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 ¡Ay! 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 Ya se me perdió mi libreta. ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? Yo tenía muchas cosas. Ay, y todos los días de la semana, y Monday, y Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday. Y todos los meses del año, y January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Y lo de las preguntas del detective. Y what y where, y who, y when, y todo eso. Ay, como las personas se ven, y que thin, y que fat, y que... Ay, eso de pedir permiso, que el rule, y que...
Hey, you must be Juanito. How are you doing, boy?
Hi.
What's wrong, boy? You look sad.
Sad, yes, sad, my liberation. No, así no se dice. My notebook. Yeah, my notebook and the water and bye-bye.
Oh, I get it. The sea took your notebook. Why did you have a notebook at the beach, boy?
Y luego ya tengo hambre y quiero ir al baño y quiero a mi mamá. Teacher, help.
Teacher, help. What do you want, Juanito?
Ya tengo que ir al baño. Ay, ya me acordé. May I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom?
Of course, Juanito. You don't have to ask for permission. You're not at school. Let's go.
Ya me acordé. I need hamburger.
Of course, Juanito. I'm hungry too. Let's have a burger. Let's go and find your parents.
And he got lost again. And that's how Juanito remembered que para pedir permiso se dice may I. Y para decir yo necesito se dice I need. The end.